everyone, welcome to our first tutorial here at Studio Bolland. That's Holland with a B. Say hi everyone. And here comes Layla. Hey Layla. But I'm not editing that out, that was some pure gold. Anyway, welcome to the tutorial. I hope you heard all that and can hear me. Today we are going to be going through Joysticks and Sliders, a cool little effect you can do. Enough of my face. Here's one I made earlier. Basically, I made a robot face for one of our videos. Sure, he doesn't have eyes or mouth, but using this single slider, you can make him turn left, right, up, and down, and all around. So, I won't be doing the entire robot head in this video, but I will just show you a cool trick to sort of make a block look like it's in 3D space. Listen, I know we're a 2D studio, but it's still technically 2D. So firstly, new composition. And let's dive in. First things first, we need a block. Let's just do a square one for now. Okay. This is an unedited. There we go. Let me make me smaller so you can see what's going on. This is unedited, just on the fly. Blue, hey, why not? There we go. Wonderful. Okay, so we've got the first block. Then we can just go in here so we can edit the points, the path points. Okay, now we need the left side, the right side, the bottom, and the top. So let's say the light source is coming from here. So the top and the right are going to be a certain shade, a lighter shade, and then the bottom and the left will be darker. You can, but let's name this main facade. Lovely. And let's just duplicate that. Call it left side, right side, B side, T side. Okay, so for those of you who don't know joysticks and sliders, probably don't have enough time to explain the whole thing to you, but you basically just got to make keyframes on the frame 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with the extremes of right, left, up, and down, as it says in this little blurb here. So we will do that with our paths. Luckily, the Joysticks and Sliders supports paths now, which is great. But actually before that, let's change our colors. So top, we want to make it a bit lighter. And then bottom, we can actually make the same. Nope, not bottom, sorry. The right side, make the same. Bottom is... Oh yeah? Oh yeah? It's definitely what? Sure, it's just a day in the life of Studio Bolland, not trying to hide anything or edit anything out. Okay, so now we got our front main face of the block, and then our top side, which is lighter, bottom darker, right lighter, left darker. Lovely. So first of all, I think we should probably have some guides in there for Wow, I shouldn't have chosen blue. Oh well, we're in it now. Just do some guides around the block so you know exactly where you've been. Okay. So our first keyframe is just going to be that. Second one, we're going that way. So naturally, something's facing you. It's going to slide a bit that way, and it's actually going to squash in a bit. Make it go a bit further. Why not? Not here for a haircut. Looking right. Does that look cool? Maybe slightly further. Now left. Okay, and then up. And down. Cool beans. So now if we actually take those away and click on our joysticks and sliders, block. If we make a control, oh man, blob. Let's just change the color. There we go. Then you'll see it goes left, right, down. There we go. Okay. So now the top path will be, it'll actually be closed. So we can, it'll should snap up to there. Let's try it with one. Nope, great. That'll always be a mystery to me. Someone can explain that. I'm all ears. So that's the top as he's looking down there. You obviously can't see. It's on a flat plane. It would be the same. Let's actually do the extremes. Looking up you can't see, but let's just say we got this keyframe. Yeah, that's cool. Looking down. Okay. But now, looking to the side, it'll be, if that corner one is attached to this corner, then here it'll still be attached to that corner. So you're having to like get your mind into the space. And this one will be on that corner. You sort of have to. This one will be wherever that side is, and then sort of there, perhaps. Then sort of the opposite. This one stays attached to that corner. So yeah, basically throughout this whole rig you're just attaching corners to other corners. And then if this was, let's just copy and paste that. So that's looking, that's attached down here, and that's attached to the top here. Okay, let's see, huh? Yeah, it's sort of oh, there we go. Hey, that actually worked. Sweet. So now you've got to go around doing exactly the same. Let's now do one that, let's do the left side because that attaches to the top. Will be a lot easier. Let's do a quick test. Yes, good. Good. Aha. So we can see here that it's the top one where this corner and that don't connect. Maybe that's the... It's quite a bit of trial and error. Let's see if that worked. Yeah, there we go. Let's do the right hand side. Okay, let's test it out. A little bit of a break in there. Not too bad. So now, do the bottom side. Okay, if we highlight all these layers, hit the magic button, we should have a fully functioning box. But it's good so far, it's good so far. Oh yeah, there's where it breaks. And yeah, there's some little things that you can clean up back in the keyframes, but let's not do that now, hey? Let's get into the expressions. So there is a handy expression that is on this YouTube video by Mike Overbeck. If we full screen it, you can see there. And here's how to use it. If you say you want this, you know that the left side needs to, if this controller goes there, past that point, it actually needs to disappear. So that axis is the X axis. So what we do is we select the left side, go to the opacity, say J equals, and then pick whip that to the X axis. Let's just double check. Yep, 0. And then you go, so J is basically that position. You go, if J is less than, I think it's 0, double check again. J is less than 0, then the opacity is 0. I think that's what it means. Basically type what I'm typing in and it should work. Yeah, 0 question mark 0 colon 100 semicolon. 0 question mark 0 colon 100 semicolon. It's done. Yes. So then that is fixed. Hey. Now for the bottom layer, if you copy and paste this, I don't think it's going to work. It is. Amazing. Oh no, it's not. You see, because it's crossing from left to right instead of up and down. I was right. So all you do then is highlight this and backspace and make J is equal to the Y axis. And then I think if you change that to greater than. There we go. There you go. You've got your little block. And you can do stuff like with the right extreme, bring these corners in a bit. You'd have to do it for all of those layers that are attached to it. You know, and there bring them all to give it some perspective. Also with the up and down. And you might get it, with a bit of practice, get it looking super cool. Even try the full extreme of this block flattening on this side, so it's a sort of full 90-degree turn. But yeah, using that expression, and also if these, say you want to make this a different color, you want this to be a bit lighter, you will see the same thing. Hey, lekker. But yeah, big shout out to Steve for letting us use his equipment. This is his microphone, his camera, all the good quality stuff from Big Steve. So yeah, you can see when it's sort of passes that point, you want it to disappear again. So you take this one and put it on the top side, but just change this to less than. Hey. And then same with here, you want to make this a bit darker because it's on the bottom. Yeah, that's already doing it, is it? I should have changed that color. Yeah, there you go. Now you've got lots of shading. Lovely. So there's all sorts of fun things you can do with that. You know, create a whole building, like a little perspective shot, drone flying around a building or something. Lovely. Back to my face. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you've learned lots. Studio Bolland out.